In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can stop WhatsApp from saving photos to your gallery. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, it can get very annoying if somebody wants to send you a photo and it automatically shows up in your camera roll. And you may not even want it there, so here's how we can go ahead and stop this. Begin by opening up WhatsApp, and what you're going to want to do is actually tap the three dots up in the top right, and then go down into your settings. If you're on an iPhone, just simply go ahead and select settings though. And then from here, scroll down, and what you're looking for is this chats option right here. Go ahead and select that to open up a page that looks like this. Find the option for media visibility, and you may have to scroll down a little bit in order to actually see this. Select that and go ahead and turn it off. This is also known as save to photos if you're on an iOS device, so take it off just like so. If you're on Android, it's called media visibility though. You'll see it now says show newly downloaded media in your device's gallery. Turning this off is also going to go ahead and prevent new images from automatically saving. And now when you do receive a photo, it's not going to be saved into your gallery automatically. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.